Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'll be talking about Reborn OS. I was scrolling through the web talking about operating systems, and my friend, Javier, he wanted to try out Reborn OS. So I'm here making a video trying out Reborn OS. If I'm not wrong, this is a newer version. As you can see here, the date on this ISO down here, it's 2021. How do I say it? On the 9th of June. Okay, yeah. So now we're just gonna start it up first. I don't know whether this will work. I've not tried it myself, but okay. Looks very similar to Debian, but I mean that's not a bad thing. So I actually like things that looks like Debian. Okay, so we are gonna have to read this first because this has a lot of things that different. Boot Reborn OS NVIDIA non-free latest cards. No, I don't use NVIDIA. Boot existing. I don't have an existing OS. We can try hardware information. We have PCIe devices, I guess. Intel, Apple Inc. Yeah, I'm using an Apple, so we're just gonna press escape here. Go to motherboard. Should be an app. Oh yeah, because I'm using processor. Yeah, we're gonna just okay, anyways, we're just gonna boot into Reborn OS. Okay, and we are gonna install it. This should be a live USB stick. I mean, it should be, I don't know, so we'll just let it do its thing first. Okay, so yeah, it might take a while for it to finally initialize and load, but yeah, it's loading. Yes, and we are in. That was easy experience. But how do you install it? Reborn OS installer. We found an installer, so we are just gonna open installer, I guess. Okay, anyways, never mind, it already opened. So I'm just gonna install it. If it would let me. And yes, I cannot close this. This is very bad. I'm just gonna go and restart this whole VM again by powering it off. Sorry guys, just give me a moment. This is way easier than my experience with Elementary OS, no offense to it. Took me way more effort for Elementary OS, but I mean I got it in the end, so this shouldn't be a problem. It should be okay and quite easy for me to run through as well. It might start up the install itself, so we are just gonna let everything load in first. Then I'm gonna start the installer if it didn't automatically start it. Okay, so now we are just gonna let it load the graphics interface, I guess. It's not gonna take that long. It should take decent. It's gonna take quite quick because this is a live install after all. Yeah. Okay, now I don't know. I feel like it will open itself, so I might not really bother. Actually, no, I take that back. Yeah, we have it here. Now we're just gonna install it. Okay, yeah, it's way better. We are gonna go with English. Oh yes, you cannot run two instances. Yeah, I'm behind a proxy, I guess. Wait, no, I'm not behind a proxy. Can you skip the step? Yeah, yes you can. I have at least 8 gigs of RAM is plugged into the bus connected and it is up to the end download. Okay, great. Thing is great. Yeah, that is also great. Can I just choose a part of the world map? No. Need to find my exact location, which is quite painful. Yeah, we're settling for this place. Anyways, I'm just gonna go next. We are gonna go and find. Yeah, I'm gonna go find a US keyboard first. So yeah. Using QWERTY. Can I not find QWERTY keyboards now? Okay, this is very bad. Sorry guys for me being so quiet, but I don't have keyboard I can use. Yes, found a QWERTY keyboard next. This works. Yeah, just gonna the options to install command line. No, you want don't know about deepen. I'm gonna stick with my long-term favorite KDE, or maybe I can try a different one. I might try XFC. XFC doesn't look like. Sorry, mate. Yeah, maybe not mate. No, cinnamon, veggie. Deepen. You'll see how Deepen looks. I love Deepen. This looks amazing. We're just gonna stick with Deepen, and we're gonna have the Chromium web browser at least. Okay, so oh yeah, it's Arch. So yeah, great, it's Arch. I forgot. Yes, I love this. It's not okay. Cache partition, this 32 gigabytes drive, I guess. Then we're just gonna continue with this and let it install. Yes, yeah, I'm very, very sure. Let this, and we can choose. Okay, we're just gonna use the recommended one, Reborn OS. No, I don't want to encrypt it. We are gonna set a LVM. Stay at home and different NAS, fine. Choose exactly, actually not erase, install Reborn. Okay, perfect. Yes, good, next. Yes, use this one. Now we're just gonna go on, and my name is just gonna leave it as QWERTY Tech. Yes, and my computer's name is QWERTY Tech. Yes, space bar, so QWERTY Tech, and this is also case as well, QWERTY Tech, and the password I cannot tell you also. And perfect, you're gonna log in automatically, and we're just gonna continue, and yes, perfect, I guess. Yes, I confirm. Okay, stop asking me a confirm. This is asking me a confirm like 600 billion times. So yeah, I guess. Okay, so now while this loads, I guess we just have to wait. I can't do much about it. So yeah, we are just gonna leave it there for now and wait for it to load, because I really have to finish this also. So it shouldn't take that long. Linux is usually quite fine as an OS, and yeah, Linux is great. Use Linux, be Linux, I guess. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna let this finish up itself, and it should be done soon, because installations for Linux ain't that long. So yeah, I'm sorry guys if I sound a bit tired. It is currently 12:41 where I am at, and that time is wrong technically, but yeah, it's 12:41 if you didn't know. It's 12:41 a.m. so yeah, I'm currently quite tired, so to just wait for this to finish its packages, and yeah, shouldn't take that long. I take that back, it's gonna take very long. It's gonna take a fair bit of time. So when this is done installing, I will go, and I'm just gonna skip to the part where everything is done and everything is installed, okay? And we'll be right back. So the process is about to be finished. As you can see here, it's already at 98%. We are just gonna let it finish up its thing, and yeah, it's gonna take a short while from now on. Yeah, after this, I'm gonna let it load in. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna take that long. It's already at 99%. Finishing up the last file. Okay, perfect. No, there's still more files. You must be kidding me. That was 99% the last file, but I guess maybe not. We are just gonna let it load again if I'm filming the right screen. Should be filming the right screen. So anyways, yeah. Okay, we're at 100% even though it's still installing files. Yeah, so yeah, we should be done now. Yeah. Let's go check for enter conflicts. This might take for a while. Okay, now while this loads, we're just gonna wait for it to load, I guess. Shouldn't take that long. So yeah, we'll see. Should take a couple, maybe less than a minute. Hopefully. I don't know. Anyways, this is Reborn OS. Like I already told you guys before, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, I guess we just have to wait for this to complete. And no, it's not complete. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna cut this and I'm gonna show you guys when it's done complete. Okay, so now you can see here, it's about to install finish. Yes, just now you were checking conflicts. I'm not gonna skip ahead without telling you that. It finished. I'm checking conflicts. Now it's installing the rest, like automate there. Okay, that's the last file. It should maybe check for inner conflicts again. I do not know. We just have to see, I guess. Or it should be done by now, I hope. Because it's been taking forever. Reborn OS. Yeah, this video might have a lot of parts because yeah, it's not nowhere near done finishing. So we are just gonna go and wait for this to finish, and we are okay installing automate still. Okay, I guess automate is a big file, so we just leave it to be and we'll see when we're done. Okay, I hope automate don't take years to install. Okay, so yeah, now we are just gonna continue first. Don't think automate should take very long to install, so yeah. Okay, great, it's generating locales, adjusting hardware car and everything. It should be done soon. Anyways, all the apps on top are some of the apps that it does support, so yeah, just check them out. You have Skype, if I'm not wrong, there's Skype. This is Dropbox, if I'm not wrong, Opera, Firefox, Chrome, Vivaldi. This could be Spotify, I don't know. This is probably CPU Manager. This reminds me of iStat, but it isn't iStat, so yeah, my own problem. Anyways, now we're back to the screen. We hopefully pass this quick, then we can finish up. Okay, now it should not take very long after all. I've never used Reborn OS personally. I usually use main distros. This is a branch of Arch, if I'm not wrong. I'm gonna go and check. I'm gonna try to check if this launches. If it doesn't, then that's too bad, I guess. Okay, I guess it's gonna load now. Yes, I wanna install it. The installation is not responding. I guess we'll wait and let it load in. Spam DS, that probably killed the system. I don't know, but I guess you just have to see. So yeah, it might have died a bit. Okay, this might take a while more than I expected. Sorry guys, yeah. This was a very long installation. Let's hope this can load without me having to reboot the OS and restarting the installation. So yeah, anyways, while this hopefully loads, this is Reborn OS. Arch distribution, if I'm not wrong, it should be using Pac-Man because yeah. Anyways, did I close the installer? What happened? Yes. Yeah, very buggy. Yeah, even enter doesn't work. It's not responding to those, so yeah. Does it respond to me clicking on this? No, it doesn't. I can't restart the system. Wait, it's complete. Can I reboot from here? Because it's done installing, so it should reboot, right? Yeah, sorry, let me just reboot from the outside. We're just gonna power off the machine here. Okay, well that does it. Okay, let's power off. Now we're gonna restart Reborn OS. Now we're just gonna start it, switch to full screen mode. this should boot Reborn OS. We are just gonna boot our existing drive. This should work now. And yes, it works. Great. And yes, as you can see there, it's Arch Linux. So yeah. Yes, it's a rolling distribution. If that's why I infer at least. But when it says rolling, it's probably a rolling distro. So it's a good thing. I'm gonna load it now. That's not the right password. Wait, what? Confusion. Wait, no, that is the correct password because it doesn't say anything wrong. I guess you have to press this. No, we don't shut down. I'm almost 100% sure that this works. Let me try this one last time. Or is it? It could be just because this distro. Yeah, it reboots into this. I cannot do anything else, right? Anyways, give me a moment while I go and find what is wrong with this. It could be just a me problem, not remembering the password. But yeah, let me skim through the installation first. Okay, because it is very painful for me to forget my password because I'm 100% sure I did not. So yeah, I'm just gonna skim through it first. Okay. Yeah, this is the correct password. So yeah, I might have to go and find a fix to this problem first. Because it does boot me, but it boots me back to this. I'm just gonna do a reboot. And hopefully this works. I just rechecked back with my normal data. This is not wrong. This is actually correct because I just checked with my previous videos. Yes, they are correct. So the password is not wrong. I think it could be just a problem with the OS or something. Let me check. And I did turn on automatic login. So yeah, it's weird. Did I actually? Let me check. Yeah, I logged in. It's meant to log me in automatically without needing a password of any sort. So yeah. Let me try random passwords first because this shouldn't work. Yeah, wrong password. So 1, 2 should technically work. Okay, this could be just a problem with Reborn OS, but anyways, this is how you install it. The newer versions. I guess this is released like just a good 10 days ago. But yeah, anyways, this is the furthest I can go for now. But I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.